Hello, everyone. What if I told you your automated tests could run, fail, and explain themselves visually? No logs, no guesswork, just magic. Welcome to Playwright UI Mode, the feature that makes testing feel illegal. If you're tired of staring at terminal logs like they owe you money, if debugging tests feels harder than writing the test itself, or if you just want to look 10 times smarter in front of your team, this video will change how you test forever. And yes, beginners love this, seniors swear by it, and interviewers, they love when you know this. Let's not talk theory, let's see it. This is Playwright, and this is where the magic happens. To open UI mode, run just one command. All right, here's the magic command. npx space playwright space test-ui. That's it. Hit enter and instantly a test execution window opens. Here. On the left side, you'll see all your tests neatly organized. Click any test, and down here you see the actual source code, live. This isn't a screenshot. This isn't a demo. This is your real test code running in real time. See this little triangle next to the test name? Click it, and the test runs, visually, step by step, screenshot by screenshot. If it passes, green happiness. If it fails, Playwright literally tells you why. Now watch this. The center panel shows a timeline of your test execution. Hover over it, and boom! Screenshots from every moment of the test. You're not debugging anymore, you're time traveling through your test. This is why Playwright UI mode is different. You see what failed. You know where it failed. You fix it faster than your coffee gets cold. And guess what? Even with large test suites, UI mode stays smooth. Change code? It auto-reloads. No restart. No drama. If this helped you even 1%, like this video. It tells YouTube you're smart. Subscribe, because this channel is all about real skills, real growth, and trust me, the next videos get even crazier. See you in the next one. Happy testing.